Hey everybody! Thanks for coming back to the Say What Talks channel. It's great to see you again. How are you? Are you fine? Are you wonderful? I hope you are. Say what? Yeah. Say what? Say what? Me? I'm great. I'm wonderful. I feel fabulous. So, what should we talk about today? Aha! Let's learn how to make that dreaded R sound. So as an English teacher, I notice many difficulties that non-native English speakers face when learning English. One of these difficulties is the pronunciation of the R sound. Almost all of my Korean and Chinese students have this difficulty. So how do I get them to say the R sound properly? Okay, we need to understand a few things. Number one, there is no single correct method for pronouncing the R sound. The tip of your tongue may be raised or lowered. Some people bunch the tongue up in the center of the mouth, while others bunch it up in the back. Number two, when we say the R sound, the very back of the tongue, or in actuality, our throat, is constricted. Number three, the R sound is a sound that we make continuously without stopping. We don't roll the R sound like it is done in Spanish. No, arr. Number four, the tip of your tongue should not touch the top of your tooth ridge. If it is, then you cannot make the R sound correctly. Number five, if the back of your tongue is vibrating, you cannot create the American R sound. Now that we understand these points, let's practice a phrase. Repeat after me. On Thursday, I must buy 3 red roses for my darling. Okay, let's try it a little faster now. On Thursday, I must buy 3 red roses for my darling. A little quicker now. On Thursday, I must buy 3 red roses for my darling. Great! Did you notice the positioning of my tongue while I was speaking? I know this is difficult, but keep on practicing. Look at your beautiful self in the mirror and continue to say this phrase over and over. Make sure you notice the positioning of your tongue. Remember, if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask. Alright guys and girls, good luck with your practice and stay tuned for a new lesson coming soon. Until then, happy learning and take care of yourself. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.